progress in LLM technology is truly remarkable. LLMs power advanced chatbots that can answer customer queries, troubleshoot problems, and even personalize interactions, leading to improved customer satisfaction and reduced operational costs. Welcome to VAR India News. From generating marketing copy and product descriptions to writing different creative text formats, LLMs are assisting in content creation, increasing efficiency, and potentially even sparking new creative ideas. Nowadays, LLMs are being explored for tasks like analyzing medical data, assisting with diagnosis, and even personalizing patient care plans. LLMs can personalize learning experiences, provide targeted feedback, and act as intelligent tutors, making education more accessible and engaging. With the introduction of new artificial intelligence chatbots and upgrades to the existing models, these advancements have not only revolutionized the ability of LLMs to mimic human like text, but have also opened new possibilities for applications, showcasing their potential to transform various industries and revolutionize human machine interaction. Against this backdrop, OpenAI's ChatGPT has garnered 69.8% share of voice among the top 10 LLMs during 1st October 2023 to 31st March 2024. The leading LLM developers as on date are OpenAI, responsible for the well-known GPT-3 and GPT-4 models; Google AI, the developers of PALM and LAMDA models; Anthropic, focused on safe and reliable AI development, including the Claude LLM and other LLMs named Gemini, Claude, Grok, Llama, Mixtral, Palm, and LAMDA, Falcon, and Huven have acquiring the market share. The USP of OpenAI's decision to broaden the API is to lower costs and add features such as multimodal capabilities and model profile builders, reflecting an app store model that enhances developer accessibility. This strategy not only improves access to AI but also encourages the ongoing innovation. Influencers were particularly excited about the remarkable speed of GPT-4 Turbo and its proficiency in enhancing text prompts, viewing it as a significant highlight. This fosters a more open and collaborative environment for AI development, ultimately benefiting everyone. At the same time, Gemini, formerly known as Bard, developed by Google, was highlighted among social media discussions in March 2024 and led to the highest spike, majority driven by the news Gemini to power Apple iPhone. Twitter influencers view the potential integration of Google's Gemini into Apple's Siri as a surprising but advantageous development. Contributors were in opinion that this collaboration would greatly enhance Google's position in the AI sector. Moving forward, LLMs are indeed revolutionizing chatbots, and the impact goes beyond just making them more advanced. The industry is going to harness this technology to create more helpful, engaging, and personalized experiences for everyone. Let's look into today's headline. Meta sharing its Quest OS with third-party device makers. As Meta extends its influence over the emerging virtual and mixed reality industry, the social media company is reportedly sharing its Quest's headsets operating system with rival device makers, including Microsoft, for the first time. The move will allow partner companies to build their headsets using Meta Horizon OS, a rebranded operating system that brings capabilities like gesture recognition, pass-through, skin understanding, and spatial anchors to the device. Google's Gemini Assistant to play music on command. Users may soon be able to utilize voice commands to play music through third-party apps with Google's AI chatbot Gemini Assistant available for Android. A new setting in the Gemini app was observed by a report indicating that this feature should be added. It was mentioned that one might designate a default media provider, while details on the services that are offered are yet unknown. China buys Nvidia processors which were prohibited recently. Chinese universities and institutions purchased Nvidia AI processors through resellers, even though the US was prohibited from selling them to China. 10 Chinese firms acquired cutting-edge Nvidia processor in servers from Supermicro Inc., Dell Technologies Inc., and Gigabyte Technology Corporation Limited following the embargo expansion in November, according to a review of tender records. Government alerts people about apps stealing money from banks. Users of iPhones and Android devices have received a warning from the government about fraudulent apps that steal bank cash. Android users are the target of a program called UnionRewards.apk that impersonates Union Bank's legitimate app. Through its CyberDose account, the government encouraged people to be vigilant against these apps. Users of iPhones were also warned about the Group Ace app, a fake stock trading program. Vodafone Idea FPO subscribed 6x on the last day. By the last day of bidding, investors subscribed 6.36 times for Vodafone Idea's follow-on public offer FPO, placing bids for 8,011.8 crore equity shares, according to subscription statistics from exchanges. In the 18,000 crore rupees FPO, the telecom operator made the largest share offering in the nation, issuing 1,260 crore shares. This action is a component of a bigger plan to raise 45,000 crore rupees by using both loan and equity. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.